Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I am here with a new Olympiad problem. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, then do like and share this video. So let's begin. See, we have this question. Now, let's start. What we will do? 3x plus 4 is equals to 2 plus root under 8 minus x. We had just rearranged the terms. Why we did so? So that we can easily remove this square root. So now what we will do? We will square it both side. Squaring both side. What we will get? Root 3x plus 4 square is equals to 2 plus root under 8 minus x whole square. Fine. Now see, when we squared both sides, this and this won't get cancelled out. Sorry. So fine, this will get cancelled out. So we will get here 3x plus 4 is equals to, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So what we will do? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Fine. So we converted this into formula. So here we will get 3x plus 4 is equals to 4 plus 4 root under 8 minus x plus this and this get cancelled out. So we will get 8 minus x. Fine. Now we will arrange all the x variables and constants. So 3x, this is minus x, so this will get plus x. Here this is 4 plus here this is 4 root under 8 minus x plus 8 plus, sorry, minus 4. Minus of 4. See, this plus 4 got changed into minus 4. So 3x plus x is 4x is equals to this and this get cancelled out. So we have 4 root under 8 minus x plus of 8. Now here, one thing you can see that we have 4 common in both sides. So plus of 2. Fine. Now this 4 and this 4 get cancelled out. So now we have x is equals to root under 8 minus x plus of 2. Fine. So now we have this. Now what we will do? See, again we have a square root with us. So what we will do? We will square it both sides. So squaring. So okay, fine. Let me not remove any step so that you won't get confused. Squaring both side, what we will get? See, squaring both side, we have squared it both side. So what we will get? X square is equals to root under 8 minus x plus of 2. See, we have squared it both side. Fine. Now x square is equals to a plus b whole square, again a plus b in the form of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus of b square. Fine. So this is x square is equals to this and this get cancelled out. So 8 minus x plus of a minus b whole square. So now what we will get? Wait, let me check. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Wait. There is no point doing in this way. I will change a little bit and will let you know. See here what we can do. See here, when we did square this term, then again we got the same thing like we got here. So now what we will do? We will keep this root alone and we will keep this root alone so that this root get directly cancel out when we square them up. See how? See, we brought this here. Now when we will square both sides, see, I have also solved this problem just now. I got this question and so I thought to solve it in the board directly. So this is the reason that there was some mistake. That was not a mistake, but this could have made our problem some more lengthy. So when we will square, we will get x minus 2 whole square is equals to root under 8 minus x whole square. Fine. Now this is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus of b square is equals to this, and this get cancelled out. So see here we easily cancelled our root under. But if we had done this like I did earlier after squaring this, then this could have further brought lots of complication. So see, there are various methods of doing any equations, so you should keep on trying different methods so that answer comes easily. So this is x square minus of 2x plus of 4 and plus of 4. Find plus of x is equals to 8, or x square minus of 8 is equals to 0. See, we got every terms here. So this is 2x plus x is minus, plus minus is minus, that is x sine of this now, and here this will be 4. Fine. X square minus x, wait, let me check, this is plus a square minus 2ab, wait, let me check, a square minus 2ab, so this will be 4, right? 2ab, so this will be 4x. So 4x plus x is 3x. Fine. Now we have x square minus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. Now we will use midterm. Using midterm, we get x square minus of 4 minus of 1 x minus of 4 is equals to 0. If anyone have confusion regarding midterm, then let me know in comment section. I will make a separate video regarding midterm so that you can easily understand how we take this out. So now that is x square minus of 4x plus of x minus of 4 is equals to 0. So x minus 4 plus of x minus 4 is equals to 0. X minus 4 is equals to 0. So here we have x plus 1, and another equation is x minus 4 is equals to 0. So therefore x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to positive 4. So therefore value of x is 4 and minus 1. Therefore after solving the equation, root x plus 4 minus root 8 minus x is equals to 2, we got the value of x as 4 and minus 1. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in comment section that if you like this video or not. Bye bye, take care.